Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Coshocton County, western Quincy County, eastern Muskingum County, northwestern Noble County, southern Tuscarawas County until 6:30 p.m. At 6:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were along a line extending from Conesville to Ferncliff to Blue Rock State Park, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour gusts. Source, radar. Impact, tree damage. Locations impacted include Philo, Duncan Falls, Ruraldale, Bridgeville, Chandlersville, Blue Rock State Park, Ferncliff, Conesville, Norwich, High Hill, Otsego, Coshocton. This line of storms is not producing much lightning. Prepare for damaging wind gusts. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.